With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So here the question says, during a thunderstorm, the sound of a thunder is heard after lightning is seen. Why? Now, we know that lightning and thunder occurs at the same time. Right? And also from the same distance. Right? Therefore, the question arises, why it is heard, the lightning is seen first, then we hear the thunder. Now, what we know that the speed of light, so we see the lightning and thunder in the medium, that is air. So, speed of light in air is equals to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, and speed of sound in air nearly equal to 330 meter per second. Okay, so here you can see the difference. The speed of light is so large and speed of sound is so less. That means we will see the lightning first and then we will hear the thunder. Therefore, you can see that this will be the reason, because the speed of sound is very less than the speed of light. Therefore, during the thunderstorm, we hear the sound of a thunder much after we see the lightning. Okay, so this will be our answer, because we'll write, because the speed of sound in air is less than the speed of light. Okay, so this will be our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.